The price I want for sure, you gon' need 3.
Baby, you can tell the difference when your wig is glued down and when it ain't, because that mother be tight, okay? Like plastic surgery in this mother. What's up, y'all? It's Jazz. You know the vibes. Like, comment, subscribe. And today I'm doing a hair review on this Amazon wig. Girl, is giving, okay? Run and get this wig, okay? It's really the density for me, because baby, I don't ever get curly wigs that are actually thick like they supposed to be. Like, this is cute. This is giving. If you're interested in how I laid this wig and also want to get some tea on what it's talking about, girl, then go ahead and keep watching. So this is me showing you guys the hairline, the wig, the lace, and everything right out the box. I did end up bleaching the knots, and I tinted the lace with foundation and then use a super hold spray and blow dryer to set it. And I just like using foundation better than tint now. It just works better for me. So I didn't do any plucking. I ain't gonna lie, these little pluck sections, they look pretty good. Like on the sides, it obviously needs it more. Y'all, the wig cap is like on top of my ear. Here I am cutting off my ear tabs, and I'm using like a downward kind of C motion so that I just try to make sure that I don't cut off too much lace. So we have cut the ear tabs successfully. So first I removed my makeup with a makeup wipe. Now I'm going over my hairline with alcohol. Now I'm going to go in with this skin guard, because these wigs have been doing it to my hairline, honey. Like, it's really time for me to get some braids, but don't worry, they coming soon. Y'all know it ain't no feeling like getting a new wig. Like, let's just all be for real right now. And let's see where I want it to go. So I'm using a wax stick and then a hot comb to go ahead and comb the hair back so it's not in the way when I'm gluing the wig down. Now I'm trying to place and see where I want the wig to go, and I'm using this Kiss glue. It is the Almighty Bond, and I'm using dots at first, but then I'm going to use the end of a rat tail comb to spread it out. And I do it in a thin layer because I don't want there to be any white spots that don't dry down, because of course that's going to make the lace detectable. So now I'm just going to go ahead and place the wig in the second layer of glue when it gets clear, and using a comb to press my lace into the skin. Now I'm cutting tabs so that I can just lay it in sections, and a hot comb to further, you know, melt the lace into the skin. Now an elastic band to go ahead and get that melt. And I did pluck some, so this is my plucking and just trying to thin out the hairline on the sides especially. Let's see what the tea is. Here I'm using a razor to cut my lace, and honestly, if you're not good at making sure the wig is really actually pressed into the glue where it needs to be, I would just recommend using scissors. Just make sure you use the zigzag motion so it can, you know, be less detectable to the human eye. You know them techniques, girl. But yeah. Here I'm just going back and adding some more glue because I didn't put enough, and this is definitely going to help with making your wig look extra melted. Ooh, okay, cause what the lace? Now I'm just going on the sides with my scissors and the zigzag motion I was talking about, because I just don't trust the razors. So I know the razor gives the better look most times, but just couldn't risk it, you know. I just wanted to give you guys some specs on the wig really quickly. This is the kisslove 13x4 deep wave lace front wigs, human hair. It's 26 inches and 150% density. I paid $156 for this wig, so period. And I do think that is very true to length, and the parting space is immaculate. It's giving 13x6, and the lace, of course, melted very nicely. So the cons, I'll say, will be the shedding. It's definitely a lot of shedding, but the wig is still full at the end of a month of me wearing it every day, so I think that's pretty good. And it does take some maneuvering to get it on my head, so I don't know if that means it's too big, too small, but it does take a little work. That was the ORS spray. Now this is apparently supposed to be like a game changer with making it blend. So I'm gonna go in with some of this spritz, especially to the whiter parts. And the smell of spritz is just like so nostalgic with the hair shop. Y'all, I forgot about the video. Excuse my dog, she thinks so rude. She doesn't know you guys are here right now. The top 8, the sides are a little ashy and will need to be covered up with baby hairs. Now I'm just parting out my baby hairs and trying not to make them too thick, and then I'm going to cut at a downward angle so that it gives it a more natural look and they're easier to swoop. I'm using mousse for the baby hairs. And I did just want to let you guys know that I do still use mousse for my baby hairs, but I also use Eco Styler gel a little bit on the base just to help guide the baby hairs. So that's just a little update. Honestly, I would recommend this wig. It's giving 9.5, 9.6 out of 10 for me. I will definitely be repurchasing if it's still there by the time I want to buy another one, because I feel like this is a great deal. And yeah, I think you should get it too. Oh, my camera's dying. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do the curly hair routine, and then I'll come back and show you guys what it's giving. All right, guys, so this is the final look. My part, it's a little off. I could pluck it, but that's just not the vibes. I do like the curl pattern. It looks very, very cute. I like the hair texture and everything. So I did use leave-in conditioner and mousse. They're both by Lotta Body. Y'all see this? Sponsor me, reach out. Let's collab. It's not all the way dry yet, but I do think that the curls are going to stay pretty defined. There are some flyaways, but they're not too intense. But yeah, this is pretty much the final look. I do like these, y'all. Run, don't walk. But yeah, this is a really great deal. I did experience some shedding, but $160 for 26 inches, you know, what did you really expect? But Kiss Love, I'm vibing. And let's get into the lace, honey. Yeah, let's get into the lace. Let's get into it. So yeah, if you like this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. Why do I always feel like I have to do that? But yeah, leave a comment down below giving me advice on this wig if you have it, some other Amazon wig suggestions, you know, what the price point looking real good. Any other video suggestions, you know, just talk to me down in the comments. Subscribe to see more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.